In this video tutorial, we're going to have a look at the time settings on Windows 8.1. To get to that, you go to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and you're just going to click on the time and then click on change date and time settings down here. Okay, so now in this box we have our analog clock here, we have the date and the time here as well. If you click on change date and time, here is where you can set it. So if I click on a day in the month on the calendar right here, you can then set the date, and you can use these left and right arrows here to select the month, and you can also go right the way to the next year and so on and so forth. Over here is where you can change the time. So if I click in the hour, you can use the up and down arrows there for that to change it, and you can also do the same for minutes and seconds. Click OK when you're finished. The next option here is time zone. If I click on change time zone, you can then use the pull down menu to select the time zone for your area in the world. And here with the checkbox, you can select if you want to automatically adjust the clock for daylight savings time. If you want that, tick the box and then press OK. Down here you can be notified when the clock changes. Like I said on my Windows 7 tutorial for time settings, I haven't actually seen it notify me before, so whether that works I have no idea. Up the top here you've got additional clocks, and if I tick this box here to show another clock, you can select another time zone. This is useful if you're a traveller and you maybe visit another country. You want to be kept up to date with the time in that area. So let's say we select on Perth right here. Underneath that you type the name for your time zone. Let's say Perth here. And if you want another clock, if you want two additional clocks there, you just click on the other tick box like this and do the same thing. I'm just going to show one clock for now and click apply and OK, and I'll show you how that will look now. So if I can now go and hover over the clock on the bottom right hand corner, you get the other time there for the other time zone. If I click on it, you also get a nice clock here added on for Perth, as you can see. If I go back into the time settings, I'll just bring it into view a bit so we can see better. We'll have a look at the other tab, which is internet time. Click on that and then click change settings. Here where it says synchronize with an internet time server, if you have that ticked, it will automatically get the time from the internet, so you won't have to bother changing times manually, which is quite useful. Here is where you can select your server, so where you're getting the time from. By default it will be time.windows.com, but you can use the pull down menu and select another server if you wish. Click update now if you want to update the time manually, and then press OK. Okay, so that is a tutorial on how to use time settings in Windows 8.1. Do subscribe to my videos for future ones, and also you can check out my website whiteclick.co.uk. From there see the forum and you can see more tutorials there also.